Welcome to Business Brain USA. In this video, I'm going to tell you why subscribing to the Insider newsletter from Capitalist Exploits is one of the best decisions you can make for your portfolio in 2024. The Insider newsletter is a professional investment newsletter that delivers high-quality investment ideas straight to your inbox. With a trust score of 4.9 and over 430 reviews, you can trust that you're getting the best advice from experienced investors. One of the standout features of the Insider newsletter is its regular stock ideas. Each issue contains 5 stock ideas that are carefully researched and analyzed by the editors. You'll also get access to a database of previous ideas, rational analysis, professional investment education, and guidance on investing globally. But what makes the Insider newsletter truly unique is its focus on asymmetric investing. This means that the editors are always looking for investment opportunities that have a high potential upside and a low potential downside. This approach has helped them achieve impressive returns, even in challenging market conditions. And the best part? You can try the Insider newsletter for yourself with a 30-day trial for just $1. That's right, for just $1, you'll get access to all the features of the Insider newsletter, including the latest issue and hundreds of back issues. So, if you're ready to take your investing to the next level, then click the link in the description to take advantage of this incredible offer and sign up for the Insider newsletter today. Knowledge is power in the information age. Sign up now. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.